How to trade with top-down analysis. Start from higher time frame like 1 week 2. Mark your structure. Higher high and lower low for clear trend. Make sure you get the higher high correctly and your lower low. Go down to your 1-day time frame to mark out your structure for your day trade. Break of structure. Change of character. Mark out your last high. Make sure you identify your fair value gap before you mark your order block. Order block. Go down to your 4 hours time frame to follow the continuation trend. If you look closely, the trade have enter our 1-day fair value gap. The next step is to find my fair value gaps liquidity for valid order block for my entry. This is my liquidity. Next step is to identify my fair value gaps. Then my valid order block. What next is to wait for the trade to enter the fair value gap to sell the market. You can set your sell limited so that you won't miss that trade. Remember to calculate your risk management. If you don't know how to calculate your risk management, you will find a YouTube video on how to calculate your risk and reward under this video. If this video is helpful, click on the like button and remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel for more tips like this.